Perplexity dropped a new agentic web browser. It is named Comet, and it changed how we handle web browsing for the last 25 years. Hi everyone, Martin here. And when I heard the news there's an agentic browser from Perplexity, I was looking forward to giving it a try. Let's check it out. So this is basically where you get download page after you receive your invitation to download a Comet, unless you got your $200 subscription with a Perplexity. Let's download it. Yeah, you just get started. We did some login. It actually pulled out all of the information from my Chrome browser. And let's see what it does. Comet Assistant can summarize recent emails, find important unanswered emails, can work with your calendar. Let's check it out. We have a assistant in here that actually works in a similar way as a Perplexity does. So let's ask it something.
I'm here to help. Just let me know what you need.
Okay, well, open a new tab with most famous web cameras on the Amazon and their pricing.
Some top webcams on Amazon right now include the Logitech Brio 4K for about $170 and the Insta360 Link 4K for around $150. More budget-friendly options like the Anker PowerConf C200 2K are around $52. I'll open a tab with more details.
Great. Can you actually open Amazon.com so we can start ordering some?
Done. Amazon is open in a new tab so you can start browsing or ordering whenever you're ready.
Yeah, can you actually find me those cameras on Amazon?
I've opened tabs with those cameras on Amazon so you can check them out directly.
Interesting.
Let me know if you need any more help while browsing.
Yeah, I'd like you to check this week flights to London from Prague and pricing for that.
Flights this week from Prague to London start around $17 with budget airlines like Ryanair. Prices can vary depending on the exact day and airline, but one-way flights are generally between $17 and $60 for direct options. Let me know if you'd like more details or help with booking.
Yeah, open some good booking pages in a new tab.
I've opened a few good booking pages for flights from Prague to London. You can check them out and compare prices easily now. Let me know if you need more help.
Let's check our company website and ask it for summary and maybe a little more. Okay, so we're here on our website. Let's just ask Perplexity. Hey, can you give me a summarization of this website, please?
This website offers custom automation solutions for businesses. They focus on streamlining operations, boosting efficiency, and scaling processes using AI technologies. They offer both quick start packages for immediate automation and fully tailored solutions for more complex needs. They highlight cost savings, scalability, and data-driven insights as key benefits.
Can you find me a YouTube channel, please?
Sure, what's the name of the channel you're looking for?
Channel of this webpage.
The YouTube channel for this website is called AIBIZ Elevate Martin and Barb. You can find it by searching their channel name or heading to their channel directly.
Yeah, open the channel in a new tab, please.
I've opened the channel in a new tab for you.
Now, I'm really curious if we can do comments on Facebook, for example. Let's give it a try. Okay, write down. Could you comment on Facebook to user Vance Courtney and respond accordingly to his post? And keep it sound human. Wow, that's amazing. It created a comment for us. And now it is posted. As you could see, Perplexity in your browser Comet is really capable tool. You can use it for different kind of tasks, and it can save you a lot of time. However, it is still new. There's going to be a lot of add-ons and things you can do with it down the road. For now, just play with it. Be careful. Do not forget you're sharing all of your data and information from your other browsers. And let me know down in the comments what kind of stuff you will use it for. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.